If you're worried about getting your feet wet, you could always just put on some rubber boots. And it's a simple enough process, and now the same process applies to 3M mini clamp connectors. The 3M water-resistant Boot 378 series requires no heat source or electronic tools to install, and provides IP67 protection. An IP67 rating means that it's protected against dust and other particulates, and can also be submerged in water for 30 minutes at a depth of 1 meter. This boot can fit cables with diameters between 2.5 and 6 millimeters, or between 0.1 and 0.24 inches, and can easily be installed in the field. The boot is transparent, which allows the connection to be visually inspected during operation. Its simple installation allows users to quickly and correctly install the boots only where protection is needed, leading to lower material costs. The 3M water-resistant Boot 378 series has many applications, which include factory and production line automation, automated warehouses, and control systems in homes and buildings.